Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are making tasty masala veg pulao along with tasty tomato onion raita. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this video, it helps a lot. We are making our masala veg pulao on stove top today. For that I have placed a non-stick kadai on medium heat, added 3 tablespoons of oil to the kadai. Now I am adding 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to the oil. You can use ghee to make the pulao. I am using refined oil. Saute the spices in the oil for 1 minute. After a minute, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to the kadai, half cup of finely chopped onions. Saute until the onions turn transparent. It will take not more than 2 to 3 minutes. Just when the onions turn transparent, add in chopped beans 3 tablespoons, chopped carrot half cup, green chilies that are slit lengthwise 3 to 4, chopped tomatoes half cup, chopped potatoes half cup. You can add any other vegetables that you like. Give this a rough mix. Now let's add our spices. Salt 2 teaspoons, red chili powder 2 teaspoons, chaat masala, this is optional, 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Add finely chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Mix everything well. You can add the juice of 1 lemon at this stage. I am skipping the lemon today. After mixing everything well, cover with a lid and cook on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Add 3 tablespoons of curd to the pan. Mix everything well. You can use yogurt instead of curd. After giving this a good mix, cover with lid and cook for 5 more minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and add 2 cups of soaked basmati rice. You can make this pulao with regular Sona Masuri rice. You need not specially use basmati rice for this recipe. After adding the rice to the pan, mix gently until all the veggies and the masalas gets coated over the rice well. This is uncooked rice. I have just soaked the basmati rice in water for 30 minutes before making the pulao. Once you have mixed everything well, add 4 cups of water to the pan. For 2 cups of rice, I am using 4 cups of water. Gently adjust the rice into the water. Cover with a lid and cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Then lower the flame and cook for 10 more minutes on low flame. Our rice is ready now. Gently fluff the rice up with a fork. Serve hot with some raita. You can make this dish ahead and later pack this for lunch as it develops a lot of flavor and taste with time. This dish is naturally gluten-free and vitamin-rich as we have added lots of vegetables. Serve this with some raita and it will be a perfect balanced meal. As we are talking about raita, let's make some raita. I have taken 1 cup of curd in a bowl and I am whisking it well with a fork. After whisking the curd, add finely chopped onions 2 tablespoons, finely chopped and de-seeded tomatoes 2 tablespoons, finely chopped coriander leaves 1 tablespoon, diced green chilies as per taste, salt as per taste, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Mix this well. You can even add 1 teaspoon of sugar if you like. As I have said, this is a perfect balanced meal. Adding raita to the pulao makes it rich in protein, calcium and healthy fats too. After mixing everything well, take this raita into a serving bowl. Before serving, sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves and a pinch of red chili powder on top of the raita. Enjoy your meal. Do try this at home and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.